Hello, my name is David Masters, and I will be showing you how to use the File Upload and Validation module of VIADS. First, you will need to be on the dashboard on the Input tab and select Upload File. Here you will select the terminology of your dataset. This can be Mesh, ICD-9, or ICD-10. If your data is ICD-9, you will also need to select the frequency type of your dataset. This can be event or subject count. You can either name your upload file in the box here, or you can leave it blank to keep the name of the file you uploaded. Once you choose Upload, your unvalidated file will be saved to the dashboard under Unvalidated Files. For files with an error in them, you will be prompted to submit potential fixes. For example, an ICD-9 file may not have duplicate codes. Here are multiple options for fixing a dataset with duplicate ICD-9 codes. You can set the frequency manually, which will replace the frequency of the code with what you enter. You can just remove all instances of this code from your data. You can replace the frequency with the sum or average of all duplicates, or you can choose to keep a frequency from a specific line. You may also select Do for all errors of this type, which will apply this fix automatically when encountering any more duplicates in this dataset. If your dataset contains an invalid code, you can either rename the code or remove it altogether. Once there are no more errors, you can click Continue to see a summary page. This page shows a summary of the dataset you uploaded. Your file is now saved to the Input tab on the dashboard. You may now return to the dashboard.